everyone, welcome back to Sunday Life and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umukhoka from the 6th to the 10th of January 2025 on Monday. The Sebenzele worries about Ntombi's family rejecting him. Difa gives Lwazi something special. Kapsile receives good news which she can't celebrate because of predicament she's in on Tuesday. Lwazi surprisingly tells Gabi that he will support her through their new situation. Ndlovu's wives defy him and go back to Ethempeleni. The Mthembu celebrates the Sebenzele's Lobola negotiation going well on Wednesday. Sibusiso makes an attempt on Spamanda's life while Kapsile and Lwazi have to come clean to their parents on Thursday. Maphalala fell with Sibusiso and pleads with Siphamanda to help him. Kapsile and Mamzobe discuss her pregnancy and Mabusi buys Gabi a brand new car on Friday. A traitor steps into Ethempeleni Nkosi and his body begins to betray him, leaving the congregation in stunned silence. Meanwhile, fear overwhelms a young girl with child and she has no choice but to flee. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.